Is Maunto a scam? Let's take a closer look at the facts and why Maunto is a legitimate trading broker for both new and experienced traders. Maunto is regulated under the Mwali International Services Authority and strictly adheres to local requirements to ensure compliance and security for its users. We've worked hard to build a reliable, user-friendly platform, and our dedication to transparency can be seen on our website, where we explain our regulations and security protocols in detail. There are no hidden fees, and we prioritize protecting our traders. In terms of legal protections, we've made our regulatory stance clear. You can find all about it by clicking About Us, then Legal page. It provides all the information you need to understand how Maunto works to safeguard your funds and data. Maunto is a broker built on trust, transparency, and regulatory compliance. Explore the facts, try our demo account, and see what sets Maunto apart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on future content.